Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the basics ready. Make sure the Corrale has at least 20% charge and is powered on. Next, open the Dyson Link app on your phone and enable Bluetooth. The app is the only interface that exposes airplane mode controls. Once done, keep the Corrale within a couple meters of your phone so pairing is stable. This saves time and prevents disconnects while you change the setting, which is essential because the straightener won't show that option on device. With your Corrale paired in the Dyson Link app, tap the device tile and enter settings. You'll see an airplane mode toggle there. Flip it off to restore wireless functions. You must wait for the app to confirm the change, indicated by the Bluetooth icon or a status update. If the app asks to update firmware, allow it now because outdated firmware can prevent toggles from applying. After the app confirms, give the Corrale a few seconds to reconnect and stabilize. Finally, verify the change. The Dyson Link app should show the Corrale as connected and the Bluetooth icon active, and LEDs will behave normally. If nothing changed, power cycle the tool, turn it off, wait 10 seconds, then power it back on and repeat the app toggle. If airplane mode persists after retries and firmware is current, contact Dyson support with your device serial number and app logs. They can clear device-level locks that the app cannot remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.